Okay.
Are you done, Jason?
Can you sit at this table?
Good afternoon, second grade. How are you? Good. My name is Miss Underwood. I'm Miss Brock. Miss Nimmo. And today we're going to learn some stuff about sound. Raise your hand if you have any idea what you're supposed to be doing. Raise your hand if you have no idea what you're supposed to be doing. Ah, so do we think sounds are a little important?
Yes. Sound is okay. It's not terrible.
Could you imagine what life would be like without sound? It would be bad, wouldn't it? You couldn't hear, you wouldn't know what to do. Do you think sound is important? How would you be able to communicate without sound? Now today, we're going to be looking for a two-part question. Our overall goal after this lesson, we want you guys to know what is sound and how is sound important in everyday life. Okay, if you'll turn to your page in your notebooks, right here where it says sound 1, sound 2, sound 3, and sound 4, we're going to be listening to a couple of sounds, and I need you to be sitting still with your hands in your lap and your ears turned all the way up, and I want you to listen to these sounds and write down in station 1, or on sound 1, what you think it is, okay? Is everybody ready?
You guys can either write what it is or draw. Good. Does everyone agree? Thumbs up.
Very good. Good. Okay, let's do the second sound. Let's go to sound number 2, and let's listen, okay?
Was it a water fountain?
Water fountain is close.
Very close.
Does everyone agree? Anyone disagree? Have something else? What do you? A sink? Close.
Very close.
Little. Oh, what's that? I didn't hear you. A snake slither? Oh, that's a good guess.
Shower.
Good.
Very good.
Rainbow.
Good job.
Awesome.
Good.
It's supposed to be rainfall.
It's supposed to be rain and thunder.
Okay, very good.
Now,
rainfall. It sounded like static. Yeah, I just put rainfall.
That works. We have another sound after this. Let's quiet down. Let's listen, okay? What's that sound? Hands up. Glass breaking. Good.
everyone agree?
Robbery.
Anyone have something different?
Do we agree?
Good.
Where have you heard that sound before?
In a robbery.
In a robbery.
In movies. Chase movies.
Yeah. It's where in everyday life. Where have you heard this?
Oh, good. That's a good one.
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Ever broken something or heard your mom break something? You're like, you know that sound and you know that you need to clean it up.
I was trying to
Now, tricky. So you guys turn your listening ears on. And see.
Oh.
So you're eating crackers. It's a good one.
Somebody crunching on something.
Crunching. Like it.
Chocolate cycle.
Chocolate. Oh, that's a good guess.
Snapping.
Snapping. Oh, you're getting. What?
Walking on like walking on a path with twigs that are snapping.
Oh, that's
Prediction.
Yeah. I really like your guys' prediction. It's actually a water bottle crunching.
Oh, I knew
Yeah,
that.
that's
I know when it's empty.
Yeah, I knew that. That's what I thought.
All right.
Good.
Now these next two sounds are going to be really similar. We're going to play one, pause, and then play the next one. We want you guys to think about what is the difference between these two sounds and what is the sound of that.
What's the difference?
What do you think? Well, first we'll start. What was that? What was making the noise?
The first one was probably
Squirrels?
dolphins.
Dolphins? Good. It was. Do you know the difference between the two?
One's louder.
Yeah, one was loud. That's a good observation.
One changed faster.
One was going faster?
No, changed.
Oh, changed faster. Good.
One was a male, one was a female.
Oh, wow.
That's a good
That
prediction.
actually could be right. I don't know. But actually, one of them, the first one was a dolphin above water, and the second one was a dolphin underwater. So that kind of shows how sound moves underwater. It is possible for them, for sound to go underwater. It just kind of sounds muffled. And you actually see that in one of our one of our stations later on about sound going underwater. Now, I want you guys to go back to this page right before the sound. And I want you guys to make predictions. Now that we've kind of heard some sound clips. So, what do you guys think sound is? Just answer that. First, write it down. First, and then we'll talk about it.
Any ears. Whatever you think.
Oh, should be underneath the picture of an ear.
This part. That one, right there. Do you have are you going to answer it? 1 second, we'll get to it.
We're going to give everybody time to think about it.
Then after you have that one, just go to these right here. Then once you have that, I want you to write down why is sound important. Predict why you think it's important. Are you gonna?
Well, I have on the stove. Electromagnetic spectrum.
Oh. Okay. You can try your best for it. We're not gonna grade it. It's just a prediction.
And if you don't know or you're not sure, put your best guess, your best prediction, and we're going to go over it later. So that next part, we're using a different sentence frame. It's called I think, and then you put what you think, and then there's because, and then you put why you think that.
So you put I think sound is, and then because, and then put your reasoning, your evidence behind it. Or it'd be I think sound is important because. give me one if you need one more minute, two if you need two, or give me a fist if you're done. You got 2 more minutes?
We got some ones.
Okay, we'll give you a few more minutes. And if you are done, try not to work ahead. Save the other part for later. We're going to have stations and talk about those. Okay? So you will put have you seen something? Or do you think? You can put that and then we can.
My answer today, we might not.
Oh, you okay.
Okay, show me on your fingers if you need another minute. Okay, most people are done, so I'll give you 30 seconds. All right. All right, today we are going to put on our thinking caps and we're going to be super sound scientists. Did you know that scientists could be as old as you are? Yes, we can all be scientists and that's what we're going to do today. We are going to be in different stations and we're going to be learning about if sound can pass through a table, if sound can pass through water, and if sound can pass through the air around you. Does anybody know our science words for a table, and air around you, and water? What do you think?
There's solids, gases, and liquids.
Perfect. That's exactly what we're going to learn about today.
Now, before we talk about the stations we're going to have, we do have some safety things we need to talk about. We are going to be dealing with water. Don't drink it. It's not meant to go in your mouth. Don't splash it on people. And then we are going to be dealing with sounds. So, and your ears are sensitive, because you hear with your ears. So make sure don't yell in anyone's ear. Or if you are in one of the stations, you might have to plug your ears. Don't shove your fingers in there. Just place them on top.
There will not be any talking as we're going through the stations. Each one of us girls will be at a station to help you. Can anybody repeat back any part of this instruction? Right here.
There should be no top.
Perfect. Lovely. Okay. How do you want to say this?
All right, and we'll come to you. Okay, just 1 second, sorry, we have to bring up.
We're going to bring our stations to you guys instead of you coming to ours.
Yeah, because there's more of you guys than there are of us, so it'll be easier for us to move than for you guys to rotate around. Okay.
Let me ask the station. What station do you think this is?
I want everyone to be able to hear.
Water.
Would you?
Everybody hear me?
Yes.
If we go to station
So can you find in your scientist notebook what the station would be? This is water.
going to use drums. We're going to study here. We're going to learn
Back to school, I have
the tape.
So what can you do?
Write it down for me. Do you think we're going to get wiggly and
One
fast?
person can use their ears. Put it inside the water. Okay? Inside the water. And your partner next to you. And I'll be your partner for a bit. Okay? Is going to put these in the water. Okay, and I'm going to tap on it. Kind of whatever you want to do, but don't hit this. Okay? And you can't. Just don't dump it in and touch your boots.
So when it's all spread out, it's like it. The particles in the air are all spread out. Okay, scrambled.
Thumbs up when you guys are done.
You're going to plug your nose. Everyone has your nose plugged? And I want you to try to hum. Go on here. That's two. Can you hum?
Yeah.
You guys keep your mouth closed too. Mouth closed and nose closed. It's really hard, right?
Okay, I can do it.
Now try to hum with your now unplug your nose.
I'm in no rush.
And now you can hum, right?
So one of you put your ear to this.
Sound can travel through air. Like whenever your nose and your mouth is closed. Alright? Everyone okay. Everyone stop up.
Alright, can I have you try this? You know what this is? Does everybody know what this is?
Like this.
No.
Now,
It's a tuning fork? Yes, yes. Okay, 4 hands on the table. Someone give it here. Yes, I can hear the tuning fork through the table. I can hear the yeah.
to have a shoulder pressing speaker,
Right here.
you I'll be your partner.
Ready?
You're going to use a 6-foot voice. You guys know the 6-foot?
Make sure you answer your question about station 2.
Right here, will you tell me yes? Yes, I can hear the
They're going to get wet. Okay, I'm going to give you about a minute to finish your test.
Everyone listen. Pay attention. Hands on your ears. Hands on your nose.
This problem.
I think it's easier because it bounces off there.
Okay, I'm not gonna talk.
Alright, we are going to switch stations.
What she say?
You guys are going to stay here. I don't know. You're going to have to wait and see. Okay, which station do you guys think this is? Station 2. Awesome.
Alright, boys and girls.
Have you two ladies share
I am station number 1.
three.
With the table.
So what you're going to do, I'm going to demonstrate for you.
Station 1 is with the table on it.
So I want you to make sure that this end is in the water.
Pass through the table.
One of your partners.
Are you sure?
And then the other
Well,
person
write it down.
is going to fling these under the water. They're going to hit things. What they're going to do, they cannot touch.
Well,
Okay? So as you do these, I want you to make sure that you take your
put your
questions
hands
for
on the
station
table
2.
and then knock. Thank you. Up. Can you hear it? Is it passing through the table? Can you hear it? Well, the answer is yes.
I said there.
You're all the way to the water.
Is it louder when you have your head on the table? It is louder. Is it louder? Will guys draw me a picture of what you think the sound waves look like? Hitting the table? See that little table down there?
So be careful
Can you
not
draw me a picture of the sound waves? Oh, this sound waves are different. I like that. It started out small and got louder, right? Yes. Very good. Can I have a recorder?
Okay, if you all three back here, not here. Okay, then I want you to answer your question. Yes, station 2.
Oh, I like that. Put your head on the table, tell me if you can hear this ruler.
I hear it. I hear it.
Yeah, it is. Isn't it loud? Very loud. You guys want to hear it?
You can hear anything.
Table, ready? Is it loud? It's loud, I know. Hold on, I'm going on. Okay, ready? Ready? Is it loud?
I barely heard it.
Put your head there. Let's try it.
Now you're bending me off.
No?
That hurts. He's
You
lying.
I know about 30 minutes.
want to try the tree? Okay, it's on the table. Let's try this. Ready? I'll do it a couple of times. You hear it? Sounds like.
It's right.
Hear it? It's not as loud.
It's in my 30 seconds. Let me ask you a question. You need to take
Heads on the table, gentlemen. Ready?
scientific word for anything.
Maybe the microphone. Ready?
The sounds can travel. So how do we
Is that fun? That might be. Does anybody know what this is called?
Yes, you just press it.
I don't know.
You're good. You're going to hear a sentence, right? I
What is happening to your
Water.
Good.
So you let your bubble
You make a picture here.
okay?
Do you kind of feel that tickle?
When you sit here, you're going to put your hair together. They can do anything you want. It's touch. Splash water.
Now, everybody just
And while you're doing this, can you draw me a picture or a station?
Okay, so then we can
and what you've learned. It's the way that you have made a prediction, but now you know it. You know this thing. And what is our evidence? Yes. Yes, you found out. What do you think? Can you go further than that? Very good. What do you think?
That evidence is proof of what we found out.
Yeah. So we have our claim. So I can say that water is cold because I felt the water. Right? Is that kind of how that works? So what's a claim that we can talk about our investigative question, which is what is sound and how is it important? What's a claim? What do you think? What do you think? And what's our table again?
Solid.
Nice.
Table slash solid.
A solid table.
Okay, what's another claim?
Sound independent.
What?
Sound independent.
Good. What's your evidence about?
Because it travels in waves.
Travels in waves. And what are those waves called?
Sounds.
So how do we know it travels in waves? What can we see that it travels in waves? Yes, very good. Someone else can do another claim?
So, can we get one more?
Another claim would be that sound is a type of vibration.
Vibration in the air.
Okay, so we have that one. That's our evidence because of it's a type of it. Okay, can you think of another claim? We have solids. Another claim. Kind of solids.
Gas and gases. Sound can travel through hydrogen, gas.
How do we know that? What's your evidence?
Our evidence is that we did an experiment with the microphones, and we figured out that if sound couldn't travel through air, our partner couldn't be hearing what was coming through the microphone.
Okay, so which station was that one? Do you remember?
Station, I think it was station 3.
Station 3. So what did we do in station 3?
We got cups holes in them, and we whispered into them, and then to our shoulder partner, and our shoulder partner could hear what happened.
They could hear better or worse?
Better.
Why?
Better because the sound wasn't spreading out all over the place and staying in one position.
So how is sound important? Can we say that sound's important? Is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So sound.
What's our evidence that sound is important? You just call them. We'll get someone else.
Evidence that
know what to do. You're going to get instructions.
What about an ambulance?
Well, I had nothing to say about the ambulance, but there's a mistake in the booklet.
Okay, we're going to hold on
Sound
one
travel through
second.
travel through here.
We're going to hold on 1 second. We're going to talk about the ambulance.
Exactly. What about a fire drill? What about a fire drill? Exactly. What if there was a fire in the office? We couldn't see the smoke. We couldn't smell the smoke. And our fire alarms would be going off, and we'd just be